Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we've got the Mares EOS Strobe torch. So this is an emergency strobe to help you get found or help you to find something that you attach this to. You have a built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. It's built in, but you can remove it to charge it, or you can charge it inside the body. Body itself is made out of anodized aluminium, so it's nice and lightweight, but it's very tough and corrosion resistant. You have two functioning modes. You have either on, so turn this little collar and it will turn on, or you have emergency strobe. So this light is producing 450 lumens of light, very bright white light that you can see for almost 360 degrees. You can see it from a very far away, and the orange coloration is more for you, just so that you can see it if you stow away in a pocket. So the built-in battery, that's a lithium-ion battery, that will run from anywhere between 15 and 20 hours. And the torch itself, because of its rugged construction, is waterproof down to about 100 meters, so you can take it with you wherever you want. You can recharge that battery. If I just show you the back, just like the rest of the EOS range, the back just comes off. That's just attached by a little bungee, and then you have a little USB port. Plug that in with the cable supplied, and that will recharge that battery. Or you can take the battery out and sort of plug it into a cradle to recharge it. But very tough, very reliable, very handy piece of kit. This is the Mares EOS Strobe. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.